Powin Hill is famous for its caves. These are not geological caves, they're all man-made, carved into a sandstone outcrop, about 800 of them. Most are just niches that contain Buddhist statues, but the number of caves is dwarfed by the number of monkeys. They're wild monkeys, but they're pretty smart. After all, they've taught humans to feed them. When we visited, our guide Joe paid girls from a nearby village to walk with us and toss food at them. This was to stop the monkeys tagging at us to beg. But large numbers of monkeys meant the ground was covered in monkey poo. You really had to watch your step. Food included tomatoes and dried fruit that looked like blackberries. On the whole, the monkeys weren't aggressive. They ran and jumped after food, but didn't fight each other much, probably because there was plenty to go around. Joe said the girls used to fight, but there's now a daily roster for different villages, so life is much more peaceful. Although the monkeys can be a nuisance, they're also an attraction. The food vendors rely on them for a living, so there's no plan to scare them away. And apparently monkeys don't like large crowds, of humans anyway, because they disappear every October when the Katina festival takes place and lots of Buddhist pilgrims descend on Powin town.